Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Smart Compose in Google Chat on PC. So on your computer, go to Google Chat. So at the top right, you can click settings, just click settings icon. Scroll down and you can find Smart Compose. So just click check box, checks the box. um, to enable predictive writing suggestion as you compose a message on web and desktop. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click thanks button for appreciate.